What's up?
Hi.
We're over here, Anza Borrego Desert.
Yep.
This is our tent.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to give the tent, Enzo? I mean, you want to give the tour?
Hey! You threw that in there.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways, look at our tent here. Got a little canopy.
Don't, Enzo. Don't. That's dirty.
And Enzo, come here. Come. So this is our tent. We got the lights. And it's a little area here, a little patio.
Yeah.
Tent in here. Ruby's here cooking. She's got the
Stuck in the kitchen.
got the fire. Let's go over here to let's go look at your quad, buddy. Come here, Enzo. Come here. Let's show everybody how this thing works. So, anyways, look at this beautiful view here.
Okay.
Whoa.
Let's have my quad.
All right, let's show them how it works.
This is my. Want to see?
Yeah. Awesome. He can go anywhere he wants to here in the desert. Amazing over here.
I can get off it.
Later on, it's gonna be pitch black, nothing but the stars. And this is how we got here on this amazing truck here. I had to refuel because I was running out of gas, so that gas container is empty. So put that in there. I got a water tank here.
To wash our hands.
Wash our hands. Actually, I'll show you how this thing works. It is sweet. Gotta just take this off and hook this up on here, and it shoots out really good. I mean, you can take a shower with this. Yeah. And then close it. And then when you're done washing your hands or whatever, your face, you hook it up on here. Got a nice paper towel roll that I hooked up right here. Sweet.
Does it Enzo?
Everything is inside here. Got a lot of lights and all that. And for tonight, I got this. Oh, I can't see, but it's my home protection. I'll be sleeping with that in the tent tonight, just in case, I don't know, bears or whatever. Yeah, this thing is fully packed. Food, drinks. And you know, if you have food and drinks, what are you gonna do? You're gonna use the bathroom, right? So here you go. Look at that. Looks like a tent, but it actually is an awesome bathroom. Got a little light right here. Let me turn this on. Boom. And this is the toilet. It's got a bag underneath. It's perfect. Turn off that light. And so, yeah, we're gonna be eating pretty good later. We're gonna be having some bacon wrap dogs with looks like some peppers. Later on in the morning, we'll have some coffee and bacon and eggs.
And hot chocolate.
And oh yeah, later on when it gets dark, we'll have some wine, some cheese and crackers. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be on. All right, that's the tour for tonight. See you later. See you later, everybody. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Wasting time, fully rolled up. Everybody drinking, so they all pulled up. We don't have the time, cause we all grown up. Tired of getting bored, so I'm thinking about us, and how we gon' be. You can be my baby, I can be your wifey. I know it's so pathetic, but I'm begging on my knees. Am I wasting time? Just tell me, please. Am I wasting time? Just tell me, please.
Hi guys, today I'm on my.
Oh. Uh-huh.
How do you turn this on?
I don't know. Keep good.
So look, tonight I'm on my razor and I'm studying. And I have a light on my head.
Okay, watch where you're going. Let me see. Turn.
It's
Yeah.
not the afternoon anymore, it's at nighttime.
Yeah. Woohoo! Nice. Always hands. There you go.
And when I go slow, I can see.
Yeah. Ooh.
And look, the light tells me where to go. The light.
Yeah.
It can tell me if there's a rock there. I can turn. There's a rock there. I turn that way.
Nice.
You know, if there's really a rock down up,
All right, bye.
I can get from up here to down here.
All right, good morning. We just woke up here in Azabrego. It was kind of a chilly night, but not too bad. It was really bearable because we had this heater, which is on right now. It's connected to propane and keeps this tent nice and warm. Yeah, so I was really well prepared for any intruders or anyone that we didn't want near us that posed a danger. Here's Enzo.
Playing Dragon War.
Awesome. And Ruby's still there sleeping. And yeah, let's go take a look outside and see what is out there.
Can I change my clothes because I want to go in my quad, so I don't want to get my pajamas dirty.
Yes. Yeah, well, we're just gonna look out the window. Let's see what the view is of this place. What? Oh. Now that is a view.
Daddy, I have a new egg that's hatching in Dragon War. Look, it's right here on the tree.
Cool. All right, let's go make some breakfast. All right, so going on a little morning hike. Take a look at that. It's amazing, just the rock formations here. It looks so cool. Looks like a little avalanche happened here many years ago. There's Enzo over there. So it's pretty cool, this area here. It's like a little wash. The water flows and it cuts through, making these awesome dirt formations. Some parts it's smooth, some parts it's really jagged.
Right here, guys.
Got his hiking stick.
Whenever I fall, I can do this. Whenever there's a steep height, I can do.
Yeah. We're hiking. So this area is amazing. What do you think about this area?
Good.
Yeah, what do you like about it?
It's pretty good because it's cool because there's snakes living under rocks.
That's right, there's snakes under the rocks. Yeah, it's amazing. We have this whole place to ourselves. Oh, I don't know if this video can catch it, but there's some really good echoing over here. Echo! 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 It's amazing. This is a good area to show how the water cuts through. Makes these cool formations.
Maybe snakes live under there.
Yeah, could be. These are things that we couldn't see last night because it was dark. But yeah.
Last night, maybe. Daddy.
Mhm.
Maybe last night when we were sleeping, there were snakes living.
Yeah. So, this is cool, huh?
Yeah.
Camping. Out here. Ruby's over there making breakfast.
It's our last day.
She's making coffee for us. Let's go check on it and see what she's doing.
Enzo, you want your hot chocolate?
Not yet.
It's ready.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not thirsty
Alright, so I can smell breakfast and it smells really good.
Coffee's coming. There's hot
We're
chocolate.
boiling water for some coffee, got some bacon in there. Oh man, this is the best.
His
Got some eggs and
chocolate is coming.
coffee is about to be brewed in the French press. That's how we do it over here. Camping for the first time. We're like professionals. Yeah, come on and eat. Your hot chocolate's ready. All right, we'll be checking out. See you later.
Time, just tell me please. So tell me, baby, am I wasting my time?